How to reach 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 7 days. Reaching 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days is challenging, but with the right strategies, you can accelerate your growth. Narrow down your content focus. Attract a specific group of viewers who are likely to subscribe. Examples include tech reviews or beauty tutorials. Set up your channel with a clear banner and profile picture. Use engaging bios. Titles should be clear and concise with keywords. Design eye-catching thumbnails with bold text. Create content that's entertaining or educational. For life insurance, try top 5 life insurance tips. Keep videos short and engaging, especially in the first 15 seconds. Research trending topics related to your niche. Use YouTube's Explore tab to see what's popular, related to life insurance or personal finance. Collaborate with creators in your field. Cross-promote on each other's channels or social media. This can expand your reach. Respond to comments quickly. Pin a welcoming comment. Encourage viewers to subscribe. Conduct polls or ask questions in your videos. Invite viewers to comment. Create short, bite-sized videos under 60 seconds. Shorts have a strong chance of going viral. They can attract new subscribers fast. Share your videos across social media. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit. Choose platforms where your niche is most active. Offer viewers a compelling reason to subscribe. Promise value in future videos. Invite them to join your community for exclusive information. Use YouTube Analytics to see which videos perform well. Double down on content similar to your best performing videos. Upload every day if possible. The more active you are, the more likely you'll get noticed quickly. Stay positive and persistent. Even if you don't reach 1,000 subscribers right away, each effort builds momentum